Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got something really exciting to share with you guys. These came to me from EMP EDC, and by the time you're watching this, they should both have been loaded into the website, or they should be, I don't want to say in stock for sure, but they will have released. I'm trying to time this to be beneficial to people who are watching this the day that it uploads, but I still want to share this with everybody, especially people who have not heard of EMP EDC. Thank you so much to EMP EDC for sending these in. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex and on TikTok at _metal_complex. Let's go ahead and do this one first. I think this is, you know what? There's a note right here. That's the other one. Okay. This one. Yes. Okay. No, I got it. This is the new Relative. Right? Yeah, the Relative. Okay. Oh, nice and powerful. I love that blade shape. That is super cool. Very satisfying action. Awesome. So this here, I love the texturing too on what I assume is aluminum and probably a titanium pocket clip. Size, very, very similar. I can tell right just in hand. Very similar to the Guardian Tactical Recon 35. This knife is Magna Cut. You can also apparently get it in Damasteel, which is crazy. Now that I think about it, I've never seen an OTF in Damasteel. I mean, literally, I have never seen an OTF in Damasteel. 63 to 64 HRC according to this sheet. No, you know what? This is titanium. This is a titanium OTF, not an aluminum OTF. That is awesome. Why? Because we almost never see that. I mean, never. Max Ace did an aluminum, it was like 70-75 with big chunks of titanium. Microtech did the Glycon, again with big chunks of titanium. Titanium OTFs have existed in the past, but very, very rarely. That's a little tricky, right? Hawk did the deadlock. I've got a titanium deadlock. It's a little tricky because the titanium reacts over time to the impacts in a less than positive way unless all the little kinks are worked out. So that's amazing. Handle material titanium, milled and textured, Ultim and fat carbon show sides are optional. The EMP EDC Relative Bowie, precision, craftsmanship, and functional versatility derived from the nimble and engineered to excel in any situation. The Relative combines rugged durability with sleek design. Crafted from premium materials, it offers reliability and performance whether you're tackling outdoor adventures or everyday tasks. The Relative is ready. Special edition variants in fat carbon, Ultimate Damasteel. Yeah, obviously I'm reading off a note there. That's absolutely wicked. To get a titanium frame and incredibly low blade play, about the same as Microtech. Similar power to Microtech, very easy to manipulate, and a 63-64 Magna Cut blade. That sucker's freaking contoured too. What the heck? This is incredible. I don't know what the exact price is on these, but assuming they are somewhere in the mid to high 200s, that'd make me really happy. It would not surprise me to find out that this was about $325, but if these came in at about $250 to $300, I think that would be extremely fair, more than fair. Very cool. Now the other one here is hold on, let's make sure. Hold on. Now that says This one said it was the Pulse. Am I wrong? The cards were backwards. Or maybe this is the Relative. This is the Relative. What am I talking about? Hold on. The Pulse. No. God. I had this backwards. I was going to say, that doesn't feel like titanium. I'm so sorry. That you put the... No, I put the notes in the wrong order. This is entirely my fault. I'm going to have to add some text on screen. So I should have known that, of course. the Pulse is the OTF. The relative is this one. Okay. I was going to say, when he said derived from, I was like, what? Is it really? Like, I mean, kind of. Okay, this makes way more sense. I'm so sorry about that. I will make sure that there is text there to clarify. But I won't edit it too much because I know you guys love watching me screw up on unboxings. Which, by the way, if you are new to my channel, that's exactly what this is. It's an unboxing and first impressions. It's literally the first time I've handled either of these models. And I like to share this with people because it gives people a faster look rather than waiting for me to review them off camera and then show them like 2 or 3 weeks down the road. I like to let people know they exist, then spend some time with them, review them, and come back and give all the comprehensive information there. So this is the relative, which has all these specs and everything like that. That's where I got MagnaCut, Damasteel, right, and titanium. This is the Pulse, which I should have known because I've definitely taken a look at a Pulse before. And that's the one that has, yeah, release Friday, 6/21, lightning fast deployment, milled aluminum T6, 6061 T6, but still MagnaCut in 63 to 64, which is awesome. I wonder how much these are going to cost, though. I bet a titanium version of this would cost way more. I don't know the details as far as exactly why aluminum is such a preferred material to work with when it comes to an OTF. Again, I think it has something to do with the way that titanium work hardens or reacts to the specific types of impacts that are specific to automatic knives, side opening automatic knives, and OTFs. But there's definitely a reason. I remember Hawk had to explain that kind of to me at one point, going back and forth between the aluminum and the titanium. Anyways, both of these seem cool. Ultim would not be my first choice, but again, it looks like they have... This is a really nice EDC knife too, by the way, and stupidly thin behind the edge. Absolutely stupidly thin. Nice, big, open ergonomic profile. Plenty of access to the lock bar. Very smooth. A little bit of encouragement down there, but I'm sure it'll break in a little bit more as time goes on. Excellent front flipper too. I probably won't use that, but it is nice. This Ultim here, this textured Ultim is all right. I kind of like it when it's a little more polished, but it's okay. The, let's see here. You have fat carbon and, yeah, it's either fat carbon, Ultim, and Damasteel. So you can get a fat carbon version of this as well. All right. Well, I don't know that there's a whole lot more here to talk about. That's pretty much it for both of these. I'll link these down in the description. Expect to see full comprehensive reviews of this guy and this guy in their own individual videos, maybe probably about 3 weeks down the road from now. But hey, at least now you guys know that these exist and are available. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. And if you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.